Hello there, and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you've been sent this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from a transmission service. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle, one component often overshadowed by routine oil changes and tire rotations is the transmission. Transmission servicing is crucial for ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle. Let's delve into why transmission servicing is essential and what it entails. First, let's take a look at what the transmission is exactly. Transmission is a complex system that transfers power from the engine to the wheels, allowing the vehicle to accelerate and maintain speed. There are two main types of transmission, an automatic and a manual. Both types require regular servicing to function smoothly and efficiently. Why transmission servicing matters: prevents costly repairs. Regular transmission servicing can help prevent major issues that might require extensive repairs or even a full transmission replacement. By addressing small problems early, you can save yourself from significant costs down the road. Ensures smooth operation. A well-maintained transmission ensures that gear shifts are smooth and responsive. This not only enhances your driving experience, but also contributes to the overall safety of the vehicle. Improves fuel efficiency. A transmission that operates correctly helps your engine run more efficiently. This can lead to better fuel economy, reducing the frequency of visits to the gas station. Extends vehicle life. Proper transmission care can extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Since the transmission is a critical component, keeping it in good condition means your vehicle will serve you for a longer period. When should you get your transmission serviced? There are actually some symptoms that may warrant a transmission service earlier than is recommended by the manufacturer. For example, slipping gears, unusual noises, or difficulty shifting. But for most manufacturers, every 50,000 to 100,000 kilometers generally makes the most sense. While it is quite a wide chasm, it does depend on a variety of factors such as vehicle use, condition, as well as the complexity of your transmission system. Transmission servicing is a vital aspect of vehicular maintenance that should not be overlooked. Regular servicing helps prevent costly repairs, ensures smooth operation, improves fuel efficiency, and extends the lifespan of your vehicle. By staying proactive with transmission care, you can enjoy a more reliable and efficient driving experience. If you'd like us to move ahead with your transmission service, let us know straight away. And if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon.